Hello everyone, in today's video we are making Moroccan style couscous. This is a vegan friendly dish with great flavors as we will use a lot of spices. Here are the ingredients. And here are the seasonings. First, we will combine all the seasonings in a bowl and mix well. Then we will heat olive oil in a small sauce pot. Then we sauté the garlic and red onion until the onion is translucent. Then we add the tomato paste together with the seasonings. We mix until the tomato is caramelized, then add the vegetable broth. Bring this to a boil, then add the couscous. Mix well and simmer for about 3 to 4 minutes until the couscous is cooked. Garnish with parsley flakes before serving. This is ready to serve. I usually eat couscous as a side dish together with olives and tomatoes. I hope you can try this very delicious vegan recipe. Thank you for watching.